Okay. Dan Brown is a comedian and musician, and recently he got into doing animation. Too bad you can't animate a father that respects you.
That was a pretty good joke, Lex Luthor. Craig Taylor loves guzzling beer and grilling outside of sporting events, and I think that's really brave for somebody whose body is entirely made out of uncooked hot dog meat.
I'm glad Dan Brown found music and comedy because he seems to be one creative outlet away from a school shooting.
That was a good one, Caillou. Craig is a total piece of garbage. Not because he's a beer-swelling, foul-smelling pig. It's because he's a rapist.
Legend. Dan Brown is in his late 30s and still single. That's surprising that looking like the worst employee at Guitar Center doesn't soak the panties.
Craig Taylor has a lot in common with Uncle Fester from the Addams Family. He's bald, fat, and he only fucks monsters.
Okay, guys, let's hear it for him. Let's hear it for Craig Taylor. And let's hear it for Dan Brown. Dan Brown. Okay.
It's gonna be good.
It's okay, all the boys.
Dan Brown is a lot like Jesus. Long hair, spews a lot of nonsense, and only has 12 followers.
People say that Joe Reddington is bad at comedy, but he can't wait for you to hear his new bit where he really explores his dopey dum-dum voice.
Dan Brown, I'm actually very surprised you're here tonight because you should be writing in your diary about how much you want to kill your roommate for not giving you enough spots. All right.
So, Joe Reddington tends to have a slow-witted, sleepy facial expression. It's because he's constantly listening to himself tell his own jokes.
Dan Brown is in his late 30s. He looks like he's 15. He talks like he's 6. And he acts like he's 10. Ironically, those are all the ages he got molested as well.
How did you know that? I don't know exactly how to insult Joe, but when I was thinking of people to compare him to, I found myself Googling famous oafs.
Okay, guys, let's hear it for him.